আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু। আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, সুম্মা সাল্লাল্লাহু আলাইহি ওয়াসাল্লাম। সুন্নাহ অফ ঈদুল ফিতর। My estimate brothers and mothers, listen well. I am Amir Hamza of Assam. What are the Sunnah of Idul Fitr? What are the Sunnah of Idul Fitr? You have to wake up a little earlier on the day of Idul Fitr. Miswak should be performed on the day of Idul Fitr. You have to take a shower. You have to take a shower. You have to wear new clothes. Subhanallah. You have to wear new clothes. Clean clothes. Subhanallah. Clean clothes. Clean clothes should be worn. 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 Clean clothes should be worn. Perfume should be used. Walking the road. Going on May and returning. Going one way. Going one way and returning another way. Sunnah. Eating khurma. Eating khurma, that are sweets, offering sadaqah, Idul Fitr. Riding a vehicle if walking is difficult. Subhanallah. Riding a vehicle if walking is difficult. Eid prayers should be offered. Eid prayers should be offered in the field. Allahu Akbar, Takbir should be recited. Subhanallah. Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah والله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد.